2006 Pontiac Solstice. I don't know. Anyway, something like that. Solstice. I can't say it. My tongue is tied. Anyway, it's got factory converter up there. Then 2.5 inch, or yeah, 2.5 inch pipe all the way back. Then we put a vibrant bottle muffler or resonator, part number 1790, right there. And then beautiful welds. Then 2.5 inch continued it out the back. Did a muffler delete. As you guys can see, there's the muffler right there. We took it off and ran a pipe in its place 2.5 into an Insanity Performance black tip right there, as you guys can see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff you guys do. There's the muffler and the tailpipe on it right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Oh yeah, much better. Wow. That sucker's loud. Naturally aspirated. Hear sound decibels? Go ahead. Yeah. Wow, again? 116, man, that's crazy. Go ahead and back it out. Just keep it straight. Enjoy it, man. Vibrant exhaust. Wow. He's still here.